Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It's my great pleasure to share you the good news today that we got approval from the Drug Control Bureau of India as an emergency license for our Swadeshi vaccine Covaxin, which is jointly developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR. So this trial is ongoing. As of now, we enrolled 23,500 subjects in this study. Still, we have to enroll 2,000 subjects more in this study. And in Redkar Hospital, we enrolled 1,400 subjects, and in next 2 days, we'll finish our next 100 subjects, and we'll finish this study. This study will be ongoing for 1 year, and this is a good thing for our India that we got this emergency authorization, and this vaccine is a safe and efficacious as per recommendation of the subject expert committee from Dcgi. So it's very good news for us, and thank you very much for all Goans who participated and give good support to this national mission. So I am thankful for all who gave their voluntary participation in this study. Thank you very much.